Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into the world of file sharing software, specifically focusing on which platforms offer the best reporting features for B2B sales teams. With so many options out there, it can be tough to know which tool will help your team track, analyze, and optimize your sales processes. We'll break down the top contenders, highlight their unique reporting capabilities, and help you decide which solution fits your business needs best. Let's get started by understanding why robust reporting is so crucial for B2B sales teams. For B2B sales teams, reporting isn't just about numbers. It's about gaining actionable insights into how files are shared, accessed, and engaged with by prospects and clients. Detailed reports help sales managers identify which documents drive the most engagement, track user activity, and spot opportunities for improvement. This level of visibility is essential for optimizing sales strategies, forecasting, and ensuring compliance. Next, let's look at the key features you should expect from file sharing software reporting. When evaluating file sharing software for B2B sales, there are several reporting features to look for. These include real-time activity tracking, document engagement analytics, user access logs, customizable dashboards, and integration with CRM systems. The best platforms also offer exportable reports, automated notifications, and granular permission controls. These features empower sales teams to make data-driven decisions and improve their workflows. Now, let's explore the top software options that excel in these areas. DocSend is a popular choice among B2B sales teams for its advanced reporting capabilities. It allows users to track exactly who views their documents, how long they spend on each page, and which sections get the most attention. DocSend's analytics dashboard provides a clear overview of document performance, helping sales reps tailor their follow-ups. The platform also integrates with major CRMs, making it easy to sync data and streamline workflows. Let's take a closer look at DocSend's reporting features. DocSend's reporting tools go beyond basic access logs. Sales teams can see when a document is opened, how much time is spent on each page, and even set up notifications for key actions. The platform's heat maps visually indicate which parts of a document are most engaging. Exportable reports make it easy to share insights with the broader team. These features help sales managers identify what resonates with prospects and refine their sales collateral accordingly. Dropbox Business is another widely used file sharing solution, known for its user-friendly interface and strong security features. For B2B sales teams, Dropbox offers comprehensive reporting tools that track file activity, sharing history, and user engagement. The admin dashboard provides insights into team activity, helping managers monitor document usage and ensure compliance. Let's see how Dropbox's reporting features stack up for sales teams. With Dropbox Business, sales teams can access detailed reports on file sharing, downloads, and edits. The platform logs every action, so managers can see who accessed which files and when. Customizable activity reports allow teams to focus on the metrics that matter most to them. Dropbox also supports integration with third-party analytics tools, expanding its reporting capabilities even further. Box is a leading file sharing and collaboration platform, especially popular in enterprise environments. Its reporting suite is designed to give B2B sales teams full visibility into document activity. Box provides real-time analytics on file views, downloads, and shares, as well as user-level activity tracking. The platform's compliance and security features make it a strong choice for industries with strict regulatory requirements. Box's reporting dashboard allows sales teams to monitor document engagement in real time. Managers can generate reports on file activity, user access, and sharing patterns. The platform's audit trails provide a detailed history of every action taken on a file, which is invaluable for compliance and security. Box also offers customizable dashboards, so teams can focus on the KPIs that drive their sales success. Google Drive, as part of Google Workspace, is a familiar tool for many sales teams. While its core focus is on easy file sharing and collaboration, Google Drive also offers reporting features through its admin console. Sales managers can track file sharing activity, monitor external sharing, and review access logs. Integration with Google Analytics and other tools can further enhance reporting capabilities. Through the Google Workspace admin console, sales teams can generate reports on file sharing, user activity, and security events. These reports help managers ensure that sensitive documents are only accessed by authorized users. While Google Drive's reporting is not as advanced as some dedicated platforms, its integration with other Google tools makes it a convenient choice for teams already using Google Workspace. Microsoft OneDrive for Business is another strong contender, especially for organizations already using Microsoft 365. OneDrive provides detailed reporting on file access, sharing, and collaboration. The Admin Center allows managers to monitor user activity, track external sharing, and ensure compliance with company policies. Let's explore how OneDrive's reporting features can benefit B2B sales teams. With OneDrive for Business, sales managers can generate reports on file sharing, user activity, and storage usage. The platform's audit logs provide a comprehensive history of document interactions, which is essential for compliance and security. OneDrive also integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft 365 apps, making it easy to incorporate reporting into your existing workflows. Citrix ShareFile is designed for businesses that need secure file sharing and advanced reporting. Its reporting suite includes detailed activity logs, user access reports, and compliance tracking. ShareFile's customizable dashboards allow sales teams to monitor key metrics and generate exportable reports for management review. Security and compliance are at the core of ShareFile's offering, making it ideal for regulated industries. ShareFile's reporting tools give sales teams full visibility into file activity, including uploads, downloads, and shares. The platform's audit trails help managers track every action, ensuring accountability and compliance. Customizable reports can be scheduled and exported, making it easy to share insights with stakeholders. ShareFile's focus on security and compliance makes it a top choice for industries like finance and healthcare. Ignite is a file sharing and content governance platform that offers robust reporting features for B2B sales teams. Its analytics dashboard provides insights into file usage, sharing patterns, and user engagement. Ignite's compliance and security tools are especially valuable for organizations with strict data requirements. The platform's integration with CRM and productivity tools streamlines reporting and workflow management. Ignite's reporting suite includes real-time analytics on file access, sharing, and collaboration. Sales teams can generate custom reports to track engagement and identify trends. The platform's compliance dashboard helps managers monitor data usage and ensure regulatory requirements are met. Ignite's flexible reporting tools make it easy to adapt to the unique needs of each sales team. SharePoint, part of Microsoft 365, is a powerful platform for document management and collaboration. Its reporting features are highly customizable, allowing sales teams to track document usage, sharing, and workflow progress. SharePoint's integration with Power BI enables advanced analytics and visualization, making it easier to identify trends and optimize sales processes. With SharePoint, sales managers can create custom dashboards to monitor document activity, user engagement, and workflow efficiency. The platform's integration with Power BI allows for advanced data visualization and reporting. These tools help sales teams identify bottlenecks, track progress, and make informed decisions based on real-time data. For B2B sales teams, security is just as important as reporting. Sensitive sales documents often contain proprietary information, pricing, and client data. The best file-sharing platforms combine robust reporting with advanced security features like encryption, access controls, and audit trails. This ensures that only authorized users can access critical information while still providing the insights needed to drive sales success. A key advantage of modern file-sharing software is integration with CRM systems. This allows sales teams to link document engagement data directly to customer records, providing a 360-degree view of the sales process. Platforms like DocSend, Box, and Ignite offer seamless CRM integrations, making it easier to track the impact of shared documents on deal progression and client engagement. Customizable dashboards are a standout feature in leading file-sharing platforms. They allow sales teams to focus on the metrics that matter most, such as document engagement, user activity, and deal progression. With drag-and-drop widgets and real-time updates, these dashboards make it easy to visualize performance and identify areas for improvement. Automated reporting saves time and ensures that sales teams always have the latest insights at their fingertips. Many platforms allow users to schedule reports, set up automated notifications, and receive alerts for key events. This proactive approach helps sales managers stay informed and respond quickly to changes in document engagement or user activity. Exportable reports are essential for sharing insights with stakeholders and integrating data into other business systems. Most leading file-sharing platforms allow users to export reports in various formats, such as PDF or CSV. This flexibility makes it easy to analyze data, create presentations, and share findings with the broader team. Granular permission controls are a must-have for B2B sales teams handling sensitive information. These controls allow managers to specify who can view, edit, or share documents. Detailed permission settings help prevent unauthorized access and ensure that only the right people have access to critical sales materials. In today's fast-paced sales environment, mobile access to reporting tools is essential. Leading file-sharing platforms offer mobile apps that allow sales reps to view reports, track document engagement, and receive notifications on the go. This flexibility ensures that teams can stay informed and responsive no matter where they are working. User engagement analytics help sales teams understand how prospects interact with shared documents. Metrics like time spent on each page, number of views, and click-through rates provide valuable insights into what content resonates most. This data can inform content strategy and improve the effectiveness of sales collateral. Audit trails are critical for industries with strict compliance requirements. They provide a detailed record of every action taken on a document, including views, edits, and shares. This level of transparency helps sales teams demonstrate compliance with regulations and internal policies, reducing risk and building trust with clients. Real-time notifications keep sales teams informed about important document activity. Whether a prospect opens, a proposal, or a contract is downloaded, instant alerts allow reps to follow up at the right moment. This responsiveness can make the difference in closing deals and building strong client relationships. Many file-sharing platforms integrate with advanced analytics tools like Power BI, Tableau, or Google Analytics. These integrations enable sales teams to combine file engagement data with broader business metrics, creating a more comprehensive view of sales performance. This holistic approach supports better decision-making and strategic planning. Role-based access reporting allows managers to see how different team members interact with shared documents. This helps identify top performers, spot training opportunities, and ensure that sensitive information is only accessible to those who need it. Detailed role-based reports support better team management and security. Scheduled reporting ensures that sales managers receive regular updates on document activity and engagement. By automating report delivery, teams can stay informed without manual effort. This consistency supports ongoing performance monitoring and helps identify trends over time. Data visualization tools make it easier for sales teams to interpret complex reporting data. Charts, graphs, and heat maps provide intuitive insights into document engagement and user activity. Visual reports help teams quickly spot patterns and make informed decisions. Collaboration insights show how sales teams work together on shared documents. Reporting tools can track comments, edits, and version history, providing a clear picture of team collaboration. These insights help managers identify effective workflows and areas for improvement. User adoption metrics help sales managers understand how effectively their teams are using file-sharing software. Reports on login frequency, document uploads, and feature usage can highlight adoption challenges and training needs. High adoption rates are often linked to better sales outcomes and more efficient workflows. Compliance and security reports are essential for B2B sales teams in regulated industries. These reports track access to sensitive documents, monitor sharing with external parties, and ensure that all activity complies with company policies and legal requirements. Robust compliance reporting reduces risk and supports audit readiness. Custom report creation allows sales teams to focus on the metrics that matter most to their unique workflows. Most leading platforms offer drag-and-drop report builders, filters, and templates. This flexibility ensures that teams can track progress, measure success, and adapt to changing business needs. Let's compare the top file-sharing platforms side by side. DocSend stands out for its detailed engagement analytics and CRM integration. Dropbox and Box offer strong admin controls and compliance features. Google Drive and OneDrive are ideal for teams already using Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. Ignite and ShareFile excel in security and customizable reporting. Each platform has its strengths, so the best choice depends on your team's specific needs. When choosing file-sharing software for your B2B sales team, consider your reporting needs, existing tech stack, and security requirements. Evaluate each platform's reporting features, integration options, and ease of use. The right tool will empower your team to track performance, optimize workflows, and close more deals. Successful implementation of file-sharing software requires careful planning and training. Start by defining your reporting goals and key metrics. Train your sales team on how to use reporting tools effectively. Regularly review reports to identify trends and adjust your strategies as needed. With the right approach, your team will quickly see the benefits of enhanced reporting. To measure the success of your file sharing and reporting solution, track key performance indicators such as document engagement, deal velocity, and user adoption. Regularly review these metrics to ensure your team is getting the most value from the platform. Continuous improvement is key to maximizing the impact of your reporting tools. The future of file sharing reporting is all about automation, AI-driven insights, and deeper integrations. Expect to see more predictive analytics, smarter notifications, and tighter connections with CRM and analytics platforms. These advancements will help B2B sales teams stay ahead of the curve and make even more data-driven decisions. In summary, the best file-sharing software for B2B sales teams offers robust reporting, strong security, and seamless integrations. Platforms like DocSend, Box, Dropbox, Ignite, and ShareFile each bring unique strengths to the table. Focus on your team's specific needs and reporting goals to choose the right solution. With the right tools, your sales team can gain valuable insights, improve performance, and drive business growth. Our final recommendation is to prioritize platforms that align with your sales process, reporting needs, and security requirements. Take advantage of free trials and demos to test reporting features in real-world scenarios. Involve your sales team in the evaluation process to ensure buy-in and successful adoption. The right file-sharing software can be a game-changer for your B2B sales team. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into file-sharing software with the best reporting for B2B sales teams. By focusing on robust analytics, security, and integration, you can empower your sales team to work smarter and achieve better results. Stay tuned for more insights on optimizing your sales technology stack.